Hi guys, hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is still me, your baby girl Anora Jennifer. Guys, this is the first meal, this is the first time I'm cooking in our brand new kitchen. Yeah guys, see the way these videos are clear, neat and beautiful. Yeah, it's neat and beautiful because see, I've missed cooking due to I don't like the other kitchen. So when I came here, I said no, I'm going to make food for my people, and we've been packing loads since morning. We forgot to eat, everybody was hungry, and I think this was about after 3 or so. I started to make this pasta for us since we have everything at home. I made this delicious pasta even despite that I was tired, but because I love doing what I love doing, I decided to make. Even while I was making the food, I was still vlogging, because I'm happy. So guys, I made this food with all my heart and it came out so well. This is not how to make pasta. I was tired and I decided to make it like this. See, I put tomatoes before onions. Yes, the most important thing is that the pasta came out so nice. Yes, it came out so delicious. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, share and comment. Let me allow you enjoy this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.